Hello everybody, how are you all doing? Let's make a quick and simple snack, that is mashed tapioca. To prepare this Kerala special dish, I have taken around 500 gram of tapioca, cleaned it well and cut into small pieces, and then cooked it by adding a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of turmeric powder. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes for the tapioca to get cooked. Once it's done, the batch is drained off the water and kept aside. In a pan, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 4 to 5 dried red chilies, around 15 shallots sliced are sauteed. A pinch of salt is added and the mix is allowed to get sauteed well. Once the onions turn golden brown, the cooked tapioca is added to it and mixed well. The level of salt is checked at this point and added if needed. You can even add a few tablespoons of crushed coconut with a green chilli and a few cumin seeds and a small garlic pod. It will enhance the flavor. Here goes the age-old tea time snack of Kerala. Thank you for watching my video. I'll meet you again in another video. Until then, bye-bye, take care.